Yo, they said protect the heart, but they fenced off the cure. AI at the door, but the gate stayed pure. Call it ethics, call it law, man, it's fear in a coat. Doctors guard and tradition, while the data just float. Back in the lab, algorithms and chains. Smart code with no badge, just taking the blame. Read scans quicker, no sleep, no pain. But they cuffed innovation to preserve their domain. They say first, do no harm, I get that creed. But harm's in the daylight when the system bleeds. AI could save time, could sharpen the aim. But it's politics, pride, and a licensing game. White coats on defense, call it protection, but it's gatekeeping dressed up as reflection. Efficiency's threat, nah, that's projection. When accuracy rises, egos need correction. You better unchain the code. Let the data unfold. Opportunity knocks, will you tighten the hold? Eyes the assist, not a thief of control. You lose the future trying to guard the old. You only get one shot, don't cuff innovation. Yeah, they fear malpractice bots, deep fake docs, but the real risk is ignorance behind locks. Paper charts in the age of AI, absurd. Still faxing vitals while the world's on the verge. See, I ain't anti-doctor, I'm pro-precision. Human plus machine, that's the right collision. Blockchain receipts for every decision. Accountable care, not superstition. Regulators say it's safety, I call it delay. You can fix the system by keeping progress away. Audit the model, don't muzzle the plate, cause truth don't need permission to save the day. It's not rebellion, it's evolution. AI's a tool, not a substitution. You don't fear the code, you fear inclusion, cause change breaks comfort, that's the illusion. You better unchain the code, let the circuits explode. This is progress, not a villain's mode. From stethoscope days to blockchain roads, we heal with data, that's the oath we hold. So don't fear the mind that learns and grows. Fear the walls that never let truth show. Cause when you cuff the code, you cuff your soul. And medicine stops being whole. Build clean, prove it, ship it. Unchain the code before it change you.